Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. This is like a pretty chill, I don't know, I was going through our stuff not too long ago, because we just had a lot of boxes in closets and just a lot of wasted space being used for essentially nothing. So we went through all our stuff and put a bunch of stuff on eBay / donated / threw out a lot of stuff, and I found these pencils that are kind of iconic to my childhood because my mom, I guess, bought a shit ton of these pencils, so I was always using this kind because she bought a value pack. She must have gotten it from Costco. It must have been get this pack of 5,000 pencils for only $9.99. But yeah, I remember these being really fun, and they worked the best of all the pencils I had. So yeah, I dug those up and I was like, well, I'm not gonna throw these out. They're perfectly good pencils. So yeah, I decided to whip one out and use them, and it was pretty fun. It was fun while I was just on the head, because, there's nothing for my palm to smudge, but the more I went on, the more I was smudging it, and it's definitely something I haven't experienced since I was a kid, probably. I just don't know. I haven't drawn with soft leaded pencils like this in a really, really long time. So I don't know. It was fun, but I'm not sure I'm super crazy about the outcome because it's really a blurry mess of lead. But it's okay. I just kind of gave it a little wash of color and cleaned it up with some inking a little bit, so you can tell what it is, but the picture is really, I don't know. I don't know. It's overall it's a decent drawing, but I'm probably not gonna use those pencils beyond just sketching. But it was really fun. They had the pencil smell and the sound it was making, because the paper I'm using is thick watercolor paper with some tooth. Or maybe that's why it was smudging. I don't know. I'm just playing around in my sketchbook. I guess that's what this video is. And you'll have to forgive the lighting yet again. I have an idea for a ring light of sorts to put on my webcam to have more consistent lighting and less shadows. But I just need to make it happen. And I'm busy and I procrastinate, I guess. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.